Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDF email on iPhone. First, open the email containing your PDF attachment, then tap on the PDF to view it. Once the PDF opens, you will see a small toolkit at the bottom of the screen. Look for the markup icon, which often looks like a pen nib, and tap it to access the full signing features. This will prepare the document for your personal signature. After tapping the markup icon, you will notice a plus symbol at the bottom of your screen. Tap this symbol, then choose Signature from the menu. Now, use your finger to draw your signature carefully and clearly on the white line provided. If you are not happy with it, you can simply clear and try again. Once you are satisfied, tap Done in the top right corner to save your unique signature. Once your signature is saved, it automatically appears on the PDF document. You can then tap and drag this signature box to move it precisely to the correct signing line or area. To adjust its size, simply drag the blue dots found at the corners of the box. This allows you to make it fit perfectly without covering any important text. When the signature is positioned and sized correctly, tap anywhere else on the document to set it firmly in place. Once your signature is placed and adjusted, tap the Done button, typically in the top left corner of your screen. This will exit the markup tools and present you with options for sharing. You can choose to reply all to send it back, create a new message, or save file to a cloud service. Select your preferred method, ensure the signed PDF is attached, and then send your email with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.